Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about what might just be the best car jack hydraulic floor lift out there, the AV-Steel 3-ton floor jack. If you're serious about working on your car or just want the peace of mind that comes with a solid, reliable jack in your garage, this is the one to look at. Let's dive into what makes this jack stand out. First, the specs. The AV-Steel 3-ton floor jack has a lifting capacity of up to 6,600 pounds. That's plenty of power for cars, SUVs, and even many trucks. The lifting range starts from as low as 5.5 inches and goes all the way up to 18.5 inches, which is perfect for everything from low-profile sedans to taller vehicles. That wide range gives you a ton of flexibility, whether you're doing a tire change, brake job, or more serious undercarriage work. Now let's talk construction. This jack is made from heavy-duty alloy steel, which gives it the strength to handle repeated use without warping or breaking down. You're getting a solid, durable frame designed to last, and with a weight of nearly 64 pounds, you know it's built for real work, not just occasional use. Mobility is another strong point. It features rear swivel casters that make maneuvering easy in tight garage spaces. Combined with its strong front wheels, you can roll this jack smoothly into position without fighting against resistance. That's a big deal when you're working alone or in a rush. One thing we loved is the single-piston quick lift pump. It lets you get the saddle to the vehicle frame in just a few swift strokes. No more pumping endlessly just to reach the contact point. It's got a 360-degree rotation, so aligning it to your vehicle's jacking point is quick, precise, and hassle-free. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The AV-Steel floor jack comes with built-in overload protection. That means if you try to lift something beyond its rated capacity, the jack simply won't do it, protecting both you and your vehicle from damage. So if anything goes wrong or if you just have questions about compatibility with your vehicle, support is always available. Design-wise, it's a universal fit, easy to use, minimal learning curve, and dependable. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned mechanic, it's a tool you'll be glad to have around. To wrap it all up, the AV-Steel 3-ton floor jack gives you the perfect balance of strength, safety, ease of use, and long-term durability. For the price, it's hard to find another jack that competes with everything it offers. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments. We've got more hands-on product breakdowns coming your way, stay tuned.